This car's been sitting for a minute. Another Mazda, 2 Mazdas in one day. That means the third one's coming. They always come in threes. All right, we gotta fill this Mazda. We got 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1. All right, we got one option. Just cut it. Good.
Hi, my name is Alan. I'm in Phoenix, and I wanted to know if I could have some help getting into my car.
Yeah, we can help you out. What's the address? All right, key is done. Let's go program it. See if this car has power. He said he lost the key. And I cut a key. Hey, buddy.
Yeah,
So, what happened to the original key?
it got lost.
Oh, really? It was in the ignition.
It's in the ignition?
Yeah,
You're kidding me.
and I cut my key.
I'm off. I'm not on the road. I'm not doing it.
All right.